Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning once again, beta. Good morning. Okay, now what we'll do? We will keep aside our SST book. Fine. This is your which lecture? CT lecture. Now, what are we going to do in this lecture? We are going to discuss just very normal things like if you have any problem, any kind of issues, or if any work is incomplete in any subject. So what you can do, you can discuss it with your teacher. So is there any this kind of issue that you are facing?
No, ma'am.
No. All of you, your work is complete till
Yeah.
what your teachers have done, till where your teachers have done, right?
Yes, ma'am. I have, ma'am, my work all done.
Your all work is done. Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta Nandini.
Ma'am, I can't
Yes,
complete
ma'am,
my science work.
Okay, so you have your science work and it is incomplete, or you don't know what is done in science till now?
Ma'am, I don't know what is done in science now.
Okay, why? Why don't you know? Were you not there in the class?
Ma'am, because that day my network connection was not coming.
All right, no problem. Whose work is complete in science? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Stuti. Okay, so Stuti, what you're going to do is you are going to send the work of science on class group. Is that fine?
okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, I have done DICT.
Yes, beta. What?
Ma'am, I have not done DICT.
What is that DICC?
Ma'am, I not done science.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Uh,
I
Shish,
have
have you
can
I
done?
have the work. Ma'am, but I have the work. Ma'am, I know what to do.
I am not excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One by
Excuse
one.
me,
Beta.
ma'am.
One by one. Yes.
Ma'am, you're asking
Ma'am.
something.
Manas, are you
Ma'am.
saying something?
Ma'am, I have full work of science. Can I send on WhatsApp?
Yes. Those, anyone whose work is complete will say whose work is complete of science. Everything is done from beginning. Yes. So Shirsh is going to send the work of science on class group. Okay. And
Ma'am.
Stuti, what you are saying that your work is also incomplete. You have not done DI something something. So even you do that. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, I'm talking to Stuti first, beta. Let me finish with her. Yes.
Ma'am, I have to send now.
I have not done.
Meanwhile, while we are talking, you can send it, beta. You can send it. Yes. Stuti, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I am saying I am not to complete dictation subject work.
Which subject work?
Ma'am, dictation of English. Dictation.
Dictation of English.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, whose dictation work is complete?
Ma'am, I am sending now science work or
Yes,
to the
yes.
class.
Yes, you can send it now, right now. So Shirsh
Ma'am, I
will,
have to send science.
beta, listen to me. Shirsh will send science work. Nandini will send dictation. Nandini, you've got dictation, English dictation done. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nandini will send us dictation. English
Ma'am, I also.
Anyone else whose work is incomplete of anything? Any subject? Tell me. Okay, rest everything is done. So I should believe that everybody's work is complete except for these two things. Fine, that's wonderful. All your maths exercises, maths question answers, your reasoning, everything is done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, my Hindi work is not.
Okay, Zoya, your Hindi work is not complete. What is not complete in Hindi? Tell me. Which Hindi beta? It's Hindi creative writing, Hindi language, or Hindi literature?
Hindi literature.
Hindi literature is not complete. Which chapter?
Third.
Who will send the third chapter of Hindi literature?
Ma'am, I can send.
Yes. Now,
Then I
Shish.
guess,
Yes, beta.
then I can.
Yes, Tuti, you can also send. Tuti.
My English dictation work is not done.
Okay, so we will get the English dictation work from Nandini. Nandini is going to send us English dictation work. Don't worry. Now science, Hindi literature and English dictation. You'll get 3 works on the class group today.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I also can't complete Hindi literature work.
Hindi literature.
Yes, ma'am.
Which chapter?
Ma'am, chapter 2.
Chapter.
Ma'am, I complete the chapter 2.
Ma'am, can I send chapter 3 and chapter 3?
Sorry, beta, I could not understand what you're saying.
Ma'am, can I?
What?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I send Hindi work chapter 2 and chapter 3?
Yes, Stuti. Stuti will send Hindi literature chapter 2 and chapter number 3. Shirsh will send science work and Nandini will send English dictation. Is that all you require? Everybody,
Yes,
please. Yes, beta. Everybody open your cameras.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, let us discuss. Tomorrow again you have your CT period. Children, listen. Tomorrow again you have your class teachers period. But it is going to be taken by Shalini ma'am. Right? And she's already told you one topic for debate. Okay? Did you read? All of you have read what she sent on the class group yesterday? Last evening?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done also.
Very nice, very good. So tomorrow you'll be preparing for a debate. Today what we are going to do is, today we are going to do a very simple thing, a very general thing, wherein you have to tell how you spent your 20 days surprise holiday. You were supposed to just get 10 days holiday, right? Isn't it from 1st to 10th? The next
No,
10
ma'am.
days, yes?
Ma'am, we have 5 days, and then ma'am we have 10 days, and then we have 20
Yes.
days.
So it just got doubled up twice. Now I'm giving you 15 minutes to prepare yourself. If you want to write down a few points, you can just hurry up, write down a few points, and then I'll make you speak them. Is that clear? Yajat Gangwar.
Ma'am, in rough copy of yours.
Rough copy, beta, rough copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Just write down a few points that come to your mind. How did you feel after knowing that you're getting such a big break? Your break was supposed to be a very small one, just of 5 days. Then 5 turned to 10 and 10 turned to 20. And how you spent these holidays. Okay? Did you make them fruitful or you just wasted these 20 days? What you did? Whatever you did, just write it down.
Ma'am, what ending I have to write?
Beta, don't write any heading. The heading is how I spent my holidays.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, beta, drink.
And what is the heading?
How I spent my holiday.
Beta, there is no heading. You just have to write down a few points and then you will speak. How I spent my holidays. Written, children?
No, ma'am.
Your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, I have written.
Very nice. Very good. Okay, all of you are ready to speak now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So who will speak first? Let me see.
Ma'am, I speak.
Okay, Mishti wants to speak. Yes, Mishti, speak.
First is during these days we went to Agra where my father posted.
Okay. Then,
Second is I saw many peacocks in the township there.
okay. Then,
There is a big park where we used to go to walk in the morning and evening.
all right.
Fourth is we followed protocols of COVID-19 there.
Very good. Very nice. Is that all, beta? Is that all you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
But I think you should write a little more. These are
ma'am.
just 3 lines, beta, that you have written.
Okay, ma'am. I will write.
All right. Then after that, who wants to speak? Who wants to speak after that? Nobody? Okay, Athar Singh. Yes, beta, speak.
I completed my classwork. I read the chapters. I fly the kite. I played with my brother. I also enjoy watching cartoons.
Very nice. Very good. So you didn't go out of your house. You were in your house only, right? All of you were in the house. Yes, there was no place
Ma'am.
where you could go. Okay. Anybody who did something different? Anybody who did something different?
Ma'am, what is CT period?
Class teachers period.
Ma'am, can I tell
Yes, beta, tell.
how I spent 20 days? In these 20 days, my holidays are very good. I learn many things like drawing, painting, and dance. And I do a lot of fun with my family. I join Gita Parivar classes also. In these classes, I listen, uh, listen good stories and doing craft. Thank you.
Very nice, Stuti. You spoke very well. But beta, you were not very clear. Will you please read it out once again?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
In these 20 days, my holidays are very good. I learn many things like drawing, painting, and dance. And I do lot of fun with my family. I join Gita Parivar classes also. In these classes, I listen and stories during class. Thank you.
Which classes did you join, you said? What is the
Ma'am,
name?
Gita Parivar. Gita
Okay.
Parivar.
All right. So these are some online classes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Very nice. So you made your holidays really fruitful, huh? By doing something. Very nice, Stuti. Yes. Now who else wants to read?
And can I read?
Okay, Karthik is also raising his hand. Yes, Karthik.
And can I read? Arun, and I am studying in
Beta, everybody be quiet. Let's listen to what Karthik is saying.
tell about my holidays. I do some activity, example drawing, and I make a timeline, and I make a photograph with my help of my mother. Second, I play with my brother. I complete my brother this holidays. I play with my grandmother. I help the mother in the kitchen.
What is the last line? You helped the mother in the
Kitchen.
kitchen. Very nice. Wonderful. Even Karthik made his holidays very fruitful by doing different things, by doing creative things. Huh? A little art and craft. Right, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Now who wants to read?
Can I read Zoya Fatima?
Yes, Zoya, read.
How I spend my holiday. I love my holiday. In my holidays, I enjoy a lot, and I also play a lot. These holidays, I play a lot, but I also did my studies. I also go to my grandma's house. There was my cousins and picking.
What did you say? There was my what?
There was my cousins too.
Okay, there were your cousins too. So you enjoyed your holidays, right? Good. Then Anybody who did something different in these holidays? Like Stuti joined some online classes and Karthik did some craft work. Is there anybody else who did something different? No. So most of us spent our holidays like usual days. Yes, Nandini, you want to say something?
Ma'am, I have joined dance class.
Oh, wonderful.
Ma'am, I have joined Kathak dance class.
Very nice. In these holidays?
No, ma'am, not for only holidays.
Okay, were your classes being conducted in these holidays? Were these classes being conducted in these days, beta? Or they were off?
Ma'am, it's online.
Oh, it's online. So you were regularly taking your classes, your Kathak classes online? Yes?
Ma'am, my dance teacher is my mother's friend.
Okay, so she used to teach you online. Is that so?
Yes.
That's
Yes, ma'am.
nice. That's very nice. Wonderful. Yes, Rishabh?
Ma'am, can I read how I spent my holiday?
Okay, read, better read. How you spent your holidays. Let me just listen. Let's listen to what Rishabh is saying.
Number 4, first, I enjoy my holiday. Second, I play with my brother. Third, I watch TV and study. Fourth, my father come in my home. Fifth, after 4 days, I went to zoo with my family. Sixth, I saw many animals in a zoo. Seventh, I saw beautiful peacock and I also saw white peacock. Eighth, I saw colorful birds. 9. I saw white tiger, lion, gorilla, wild sheep, and etc. 10th, I come in home and make drawing and craft.
Very nice. Very good. So you did so many different things in these holidays. Wonderful. What did Arush do? Arush, what did you do, beta? Yes? Did you study? Okay, which subject you studied the most? Was it maths that you practiced on daily basis?
Ma'am, science.
Science. Oh, wonderful. Okay, how many of you actually helped your mothers in the kitchen? Very nice. I can see Shesh's hand. I can see Rishabh's hand. Very good. Arush also. Karthik. And what about these girls, huh? Girls, you didn't help your mother out in the kitchen? Only these boys are good.
Ma'am, I also.
Okay, well, how did Mishti? How did you help your mother in the kitchen? Tell me. By doing what?
Ma'am, wash vegetables, fruits.
Very nice. That's very nice. And what else?
And
Am I also?
How did you help? Okay. Mishti helped her mother in the kitchen by washing vegetables and fruits. Anybody else who did anything else for her mother in the kitchen or in the household, not only in the kitchen, in the entire house if you did something? Yes? Yes, Nandini?
Ma'am, I put the plates, cups, glasses in the cupboard.
Okay, very nice. So you set the dishes in the cupboards. Yes, Yajat also wants to say something.
Ma'am, I helped my mother to, ma'am, she was good, and ma'am, my sister and ma'am, I go on roof to dry attention. And
You
sometimes,
used to go to the roof to do what? On the terrace.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I I draw. Sorry, ma'am.
Yajat, I can't understand you better. What did you used to, why did you used to go to the terrace?
I
Dry
go
clothes?
direct to yes, ma'am. Dry clothes.
All right. So you used to go to the terrace to dry clothes. That's also a very big help. Very nice. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Who
can
wants to?
I? Ma'am, I want to.
Okay, I can see so many hands now. Yes, Karthik. Yes, yes, Karthik.
Uh, Ma'am, I help the mother cleaning the room and I make a tea mom for my mother because he was very tired and my my mother make a lunch so I can put the lunch on the table. Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice. So, Karthik, you know how to make tea. You used to make tea. You made tea for your mother on your own. My
Yes,
God.
ma'am. I also know.
Very nice. That's wonderful. I didn't know such small children also know how to make tea.
Yes, ma'am, I
Ma'am,
also
I
know.
also know how to make tea.
So you can make tea all by yourself on your own. You don't need anybody in the kitchen to assist you.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You can even light the gas. You can even put on the gas stove with the lighter. You know how to do it.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, but my gas will not it will not get lighter. My gas automatically on.
Okay, electric. That's electric. This thing hob. So that's easy. But the ones who do it with a lighter, that's very nice. That's commendable. At such small age, you know how to do it. Okay, Nandini, you want to say
Excuse me,
something? Yes, beta.
ma'am. Ma'am, I also fold the clothes and put in the cup. I put in the almirah.
That's very nice. Wonderful work. Wonderful.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, I wash vegetable, fruits. When I wash cup, plates. When I make for my mother tea because my mother is tired. When I set
Amazing.
my home and I fold the clothes. When I put the clothes in cupboard.
That's wonderful, beta. Wonderful. I'm so happy to know that do you such small children, little children are so helpful for their parents, for their mothers. And you're so concerned about your mothers getting tired and you're making tea for them. That's so nice and sweet of all of you. Okay, who doesn't know to make tea? I'm sure there must be students in the class who don't know how to make tea. Yes, that's Karthik. But Rishabh, you know to make tea. Why are you raising your hand now? I'm saying those children who don't know how to make tea. Okay, Nandini, Stuti. Yes. Yajat also, very nice. Okay, you learn with time, no problem. I was amazed to know that these children know to make tea at this age. Okay, Yajat, you want to say something?
No, ma'am. I just hand raised for at that time. You asked how many kids uh, don't know how to make
Okay,
tea.
so you raised your hand. All right. So your mothers were happy to see you people helping them in the kitchen. Some of you set dishes in the cupboard. Some of you folded clothes. Some of you made tea. Some of you went up to the terrace to dry up clothes. And
And ma'am, I cut vegetables.
you cut vegetables also. You can chop vegetables.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Ma'am, I also fold the blankets.
that's very, very nice. I'm so happy. I'm so actually surprised to know. that you little children can do so much. Okay, keep doing it. Keep helping your mothers, helping your parents like this in the house, because everybody is going through a very tough time, a very tired, stressful period. All of us are facing a very stressful time. Yes,
Ma'am,
beta. Yes.
I have clean all room.
Oh, that's very nice. It's a big work to clean up the house, to clean up all the rooms of the house.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, Shirsh, say beta.
Ma'am, in these holidays, I all the time help my mother, like put the dishes, help my mother to fold clothes, etc. I also set my room. I fold the
You folded what?
blankets. My blanket,
Blankets. Very good, very nice.
and I also watch funny movies with my mother for entertainment. I have mechanics, a game in that we have to build, so I all the time do that also.
Very nice, very
I
good.
like my holidays very much because I enjoyed it.
Yes, you enjoyed your holidays. All of us love holidays, right? Because we know
Yes,
that we are
ma'am.
not bound to study for so many hours together. We can get up on our own. We can lie down whenever we want. We can eat. We can do whatever, play whenever we want. There is no time foundation, isn't it? Yes. So now what? Anybody else who is left to speak and wants to speak? Why can I see children sitting with the cameras off in the class? Vikas Rathor, Harsh Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you sitting with the cameras off? Huh?
Ma'am, can I speak in Hindi for 1 minute?
Yes, say.
मैम मैम मैं झाड़ू भी लगा सकता हूँ मतलब अगर
Really?
मम्मा टायर्ड हो तो यस मैम
Okay. So what is jhadu called? What is jhadu in English? Yes,
Broom.
broom. And what do you say when you no. What do you say when you actually clean the floor with the jhadu? What do you say that? How do you say that? Yes, anybody who can tell?